Hello guys, my name is Joe Kim from Baekusaeng Makgeolli. Today I'm going to point out three things that will definitely help you in your makgeolli brewing journey. Now I haven't seen these points fairly explained in detail in other makgeolli videos. There are a lot of resources on YouTube, but I'm here to help you with those you know problems that people don't actually think they are problems, but they are little things when it comes to brewing makgeolli will make a huge difference. So enough of me talking, and let's go to number one. Number one is what I call the Nuruk straight from the bag. Now, what happens is that as soon as people get their Nuruk, if you live overseas, then you'll be pretty excited because I know it's hard to find Nuruk. If you live outside of Korea, and then as soon as you get it, you want to brew with it, and you just go, put it in your makgeolli, and then hope for the best, right? However, there's a problem with that. You want to do something called popche, and what that essentially is you want to find a dry place outside, like let's say a balcony or something in your house, and you want to lay out all your nuruk, like spread it out, and you want to let it adapt to the environment. You want to let it catch some sun at night. You want your noodle to cool down. You want to kind of like rehydrate and resettle all that kind of the magic, the microbial magic that's happening in the noodle, right? It's like using noodle straight from the bag. It's going to kind of affect the color of your makgeolli, especially if you're doing something like cheongju. Or also it's going to give you especially a big of a nuruki smell. Wow! Which some people don't like. Some people don't know what that is when they drink makgeolli. But however, my favorite and the best, I would say the most important reason to do popche is because it will help with fermentation.
Sweet.
Now, there's a lot of times where people are like, they mix all their ingredients, and they're like, "Well, nothing's happening to my brew. What's going on?"
No!
There might be a problem with your noodle. So, doing the popche, it's going to kind of give it a second life. It's gonna like give it that power again. So, fermentation kicks in, and
Assemble.
everything is sweet and nice, right? You want to lay it outside at least for, I would say, 7 days. Now, I have a little space in my house where I keep my noodle outside, and it's just, catching sun, catching a cool night breeze at night. You want to give it some life, you want to give it some air. So, very, 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 very important. Do not sleep on this part, okay? So,